Alright. Good morning, fam. Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday to everyone in here. Let's see what we got here. Boom, boom, boom. Move this over just a tad. Right there. Okay. Should be good right there with that. I'm going to be patient today. It is a no news Monday. We have absolutely zero economic data. Very rarely does the economic calendar say none, but today it does. So just gonna be chilling, waiting for the right setups, seeing what we get. Right now NQ is up over half a percent, up 100 points. ES up 26, YM up 186. So NQ is up the most percentage wise. Let's see, does it hold or do we start to give back up and roll over again? We will see. Kind of interested to see how we react at these highs right here as well. Didn't quite get there yet. Let's see, gonna be a lot of patience here. Moving lower early here. Delta kind of leading the way. Finding some support here out of this FVG though. What a spot to find that support, right? Right at the bullish FVG. Again, I'm not overly in love with it right now. Just more so gonna be watching. It's also the 5-minute chart I just realized. So let's drop it down to the 1-minute. Right here would be the better 1-minute to take if you were to take one of those two, but I'm not going to. I think we may be pushing down and trying to draw towards this 530 liquidity. Very well could be putting in a bearish FEG here after we got this break here. Good morning, Mahala. Good morning, everyone that's tuning in here. Wow, what a rip back. Retesting kind of this low, this previous low. See if we find some resistance here. Not taking it, but definitely gonna be a day of patience. Also, I'll reiterate this later as well, but this is day one of the other payout journey. So the last one was successful. I will post a video on that here shortly. But we're restarting again. So back to square one. Time to build these accounts up just like we did last time and get another payout. So we will see. Patience is a virtue though. Let me find the opening print here. I think it was Is it this? Well, okay. There's our opening print. So let's see what we want to do here. I don't know where this FVG is coming from right here. Oh 06. I have no idea. Maybe MNQ and NQ are slightly different. As far as candle closes goes, because I don't see an FVG in this area, let alone 3. I see this one right here, but interesting. There's also this here that we've kind of bounced out of. After such a huge dive, I'm not going to chase it or try to knife catch it though either. So technically we close below here. So it kind of becomes resistance as well as with this. So not horrible, but we kind of swept these lows and liquidities here. So I don't love the short. It could work, but not enough confluence for me. Pushing right back into here where some resistance could take place again. Getting the opening print and the previous low. Granted, we kind of got through it and we're retesting it now, so it's not as clean, but nonetheless, it is resistance. Kind of crazy that this candle's actually going to come close below here, even though it wicked way up here. Classic case of wicks doing the damage and bodies telling the story here. So we will see. See how this FEG here, we never actually got to close, even though we ripped way up here, we closed down here. So something I'm just noting. Good morning, good morning. Trade to fly. And then I always want to say Kalish. Am I saying that right? Kalish? Kalash? Correct me if I'm wrong, please. Or give me a help with pronunciation. Um, I don't want this here either. Delta is looking like it's making new lows. We may just start to push slower. We could hold this, but oh, yeah, we do. Yeah, no, I know it's BK, but I was trying to say your the name on the YouTube, the YouTube name. Let's just go with BK. That would work too. Up 18. Keep facing this resistance here. Hmm. It feels like we're probably going to get through at some point here. We do have this OB right here that has provided some good resistance. But I feel like if we get through, we're going to push up to here. And honestly, really no rush. We are 10 minutes, 9 minutes into the market right now. We've held this here though. It's nice. Let's see. I saw something on the 30-minute that may be kind of interesting. Not perfect, but not horrible either. It wasn't perfect, but not horrible. Hmm. Again, we're seeing a lot of resistance right around this area at the opening print. Feels like we might want to shoot up through here though, so I'm not going to just take a short on the whim here, but this is where a price would have been really nice to short at, but this is also 50 points higher. So we'll see if we ever get there. Hmm. I don't hate this short at all either. Still, honestly, the only issue is we may be trying to push and run up on this. But we have some of this other liquidity right here that we are pushing into. Well, I missed it. See if this turns into potential support here as well. There's resistance for this kind of whole period here. See if it turns into support. And then try to push up here. Dang. Dang. That was the trade right there, folks. That was the trade. Wow. What a trade that would have been. Happened so fast, too, from entry to here. Feels like it was like less than a minute. Like a 30-point trade in a minute. That was nice. Didn't take it, but yeah, I could have just taken that, I suppose. Just honestly, the thing that I like about potentially this short now, see if this holds as a FVG, is now that you have an entry model here at resistance and opening print, etc., rather than not. Let's see. You get it towards like 86, I would like it. I would want 86 though. Oh, never mind.
Order submitted.
I'm in at
Order
88, guys.
failed.
Looking for a quick little dump. Looking for us to close lower.
Order filled.
Ah, that was 3 points. I thought I was closing like more, but um, here I have my things all messed up, so you may not be able to see how much I want. I'm in the trade. Thought it was a little bit more, but it's all right. We got this close above it, so I was just gonna take whatever profit I had. It's invalidated it. Potentially support now. May see another push up here. Just had to get out of that really quick. Thought I locked a little bit more than that, but it is what it is. So actually, I was gonna say it kind of turns into support here that I thought would shoot us up here, and it looks like it's about to. Delta looks good. I mean, this short is there, but I don't know. With Delta looking the way it looks. I don't know about buying it before, because like at this point we've put in such a range that I want to see the break of the range and then go back into it before I'm really like overly excited to trade. Like something like this would be a little bit more intriguing to me. Still good resistance, but would have been a nice 10-point trade again. But if I could get it up at 11. So basically a break of this, hoping we don't break this, but if we do, knowing that I have two liquidities that we could sweep and rush back down on is kind of the goal here. My closet's open, my bad. Nice little retest right there. I have an update on my OBS. Maybe I need to update that as well. Oh, that was my entry.
Order submitted.
Trying it right here. Come on. It's gold in it. I
Order
should be in
filled.
this. I should be in this. Let's see.
Stop filled.
Oh, criminy. Criminy, that was too big of a push. Delta just absolutely soared on that. It is what it is. Honestly, we may be trying to push up here. Let's see if we can get a drop down. We can get a push lower into this like FEG area.
Order submitted.
Come on.
Order filled. Order
Oh,
submitted.
come on. Yeah, I'm in the new place.
Order canceled.
I'm in the new place here. Let's see if we can get this push up here. 45. I think we can get a push on this liquidity up here. Again, maybe we even get up to 50. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Still getting everything situated. There we go. Delta's looking good for continuation, but let's see. Let's see if I can. Trying to figure out how to make it so you can see that. Uh, 363 or 363. Yeah, I think that's a good upside target. I just taking it one thing at a time. I think 53 was a really good short area that I liked earlier too. Don't like that didn't fill my order all the way either.
Order filled.
Let's see, come on. Let's see it. Oh, come on. I was gonna say, feels like we may want to dump down into it and get a re-entry for the long, but hmm.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Um, hold on one second. Okay, I was hoping we'd get this retest here one more time for me, and then I can get in it, but I was trying to lock some profit and then get back in this trade, but who knows? Maybe we just kind of take off without me here. Bullish FEG. Let's see. Down at 11 would be nice. 73, so watching interaction there first. 31. It's kind of right up here. I may want to go take this out now that I'm not in it, unfortunately. think we may get one more rip into 7 o'clock, and then we could look to turn around potentially. Yeah, it just sucks too. I wasn't fully sized in when I'm up like 13, 14 points, and I probably should have just taken it. But the fact that I wasn't in all the way made me feel like I wanted to get in. Ah, come on, a little bit more. Would like 11. Got to 14 on that. I mean, and honestly, 9 would be preferred.
Order submitted.
I tried it at 11. It wicked it too before I put it there.
Order canceled.
It's 290. Yeah, back towards opening print. Holding of this previous high though here is pretty interesting to me. Let's see, come on. Gonna try to snipe one here if I can get into like 9, 10-ish area.
Order filled.
Alright, tried sniping it right there. Let's see if it was a snipe or if it was a chase of a downside move here. In it, 675. We can run on to 41. Ah, come on. Get the continuation, baby. Delta's not.
Order
I'm
canceled.
taking those 6 points right there. Delta's not bouncing the way I wanted it to. At least right there. So I'm gonna take those 6 points and see. There we go. Yeah, it was a great snipe there. I wanted explosion up. And it feels like if not, we're gonna get probably a retest down here. Maybe this was the real entry again, but let's see. Still seeing some nice bounces out of this area right here. Hmm. Next candle may just take off. Let's see. I like how we've held above the CE on all these closes, and we've came down here and bounced out of here. That's why I feel like we may just take off here. Obviously, I wish I had an entry down here now, but 2 minutes away from 7. Appreciate the likes, guys, and for everyone tuning in. Yeah, that's what I'm fearful of. Like, we get something kind of like this, and then, like, right at opening print, which would stop me out probably, and then we get, like, this push up here. I still think we do, unless we completely start to just engulf lower. Like this right here, I always get skeptical when they're like this, because you could see the market quickly rip these back. However, Delta is moving lower as well. Trying to just think of like last week, for example, like we had days that looked like we were gonna maybe be able to go, and then we rolled. So not trying to be overly confident in the market, but at the same time, it's not horrible still. Technically, this should be some resistance here now if we were to try to get back up here again. 85, 95-ish range. Yeah, like right here. I agree. I mean, we had a lot of support, previous resistance all right here. From now, we're probably just going to dump it to the lows. How much lower? I mean, I don't know. Midnight Open last week was always a really good target. We always, every time we rolled, we got here pretty easily once we stopped moving higher. So we will see. If we get some sort of action higher, I may look for one of these shorts. And then I'd probably try to target this midnight open, honestly. I would want my stop to be a little higher, so I don't know if that means try to grab it higher, just risk more on the stop, or what. But we're kind of approaching where I would want to get short. There's just quite some ways to where I'd actually be like, feel like I'm wrong. Let's see. We can get a push up into here. I like it a little better. Here's just a little too much. It's like 20 points of risk if I wanted to risk the highs.
Order submitted.
Alright, I did grab that short right there. Right at the C of that one. Let's see if we, like I said, we may want to just push on this high right here, which was kind of the fear right there of entering right there.
Order filled.
Grabbed a smidge more right there. Gonna look to probably scale out half if we get a nice move down right now. Yeah, I don't love it. Come on, done for me really quick so I can scale out half.
Order canceled.
I scaled out half right there, guys.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take all of it off right there, actually. I knew this was the right entry. If I would have entered here like I wanted to, I wouldn't have been such a scary berry. This is the target's down here at midnight open too. It's like a 70-point trade. The play that trade is a phenomenal trade. I just knew I shouldn't have took that very first entry. So now we're gonna play the game of watch it all play out. There you go. Yeah, that second entry I absolutely sniped, but for my account size, I was double the size I really want to be, and a stop loss there I honestly just couldn't have accepted. So that's on me. But dang, I knew I should have waited for this. Changed the whole trade right here, the whole dynamic. If I would have been patient and stuck to the plan, even just try to play it to here is like 40 points. I still think we can get to midnight open if we really want to let it go. We have a few things we need to do first. We need to move below here and establish ourselves below this dip here before we ripped. But Up 565 the runner. There you go. Yeah, I mean, I think we could get down here. Doesn't mean we will. YM's actually approaching VWAP. ES is above VWAP today, so that's kind of different than last week. NQ is getting towards VWAP. I just realized it's down at like 80, call it. So like right here, VWAP on NQ. It's kind of invalid anyways now. It's more so all about this entry up here if you can get it. Have to be prepared for a run on the stops though. I like it lower though. Delta is at like a local bottom where it's been bottoming. If it breaks through here, then I think we will make that drop down towards at least this area. I think midnight opens in play, but like we swept this liquidity right here now. Now it's like I think we just go try to attack lower. Even though we have hit opening print now, so that's the one thing that may kind of get in the way. But we haven't swept the low a day liquidity though. Haven't swept down here yet. Come on. Thank you for everyone that's tuning in. Appreciate the likes as well. The comments, getting the chat active. Appreciate it. As soon as I say that, it says starts to buffer. Oh, up a good 30 points for sure. This trade was. See, so what I was talking about was you didn't want to see this per se. Ah, crap. I was trying to get long. To snipe along here if we can get right. Ah, whatever. Whatever. Let's see. No, I'm still waiting for midnight open. I think we are following lower. But I do like the idea of potentially, well, I did right here, reversing, but now we're seeing this. Hmm, kind of slight sweep here. Let's see. My it's dropping some frames. That is no longer in the equation. That is no longer in the equation. This was a nice long. That was a really nice long, actually. The slight sweep. The ever so slight sweep. I'm sorry, guys, for all the buffering. I apologize. I need to update my OBS as well, it looks like. Got our here in the middle of no man's range. Like, this is opening print, retest, and reject. I just don't see like an entry model, unfortunately, right here. Alright, guys, look like it's not lagging anymore. I apologize. I need to figure this out. I need to update the OBS as well, it says. So I'm gonna try to update my streaming software, see if hopefully that helps a little bit. Delta was pointing up and we're not moving up, so I have a fair feeling that we might be worth a short here if we can get, well, maybe not. Maybe we won't get it. And so if we can get the entry, it might be worth the shot, but do I want to try to knife catch again is the question. Look at this 530 print. I don't see any entry models right here, actually. Yeah, technically we got that close. Technically still never closed below here. With the way Delta looks and everything, and ES barely holding VWAP, what I'm looking for is like that feeling of, okay, we're actually going to recover. And that's when the real roll will probably happen. NQ below VWAP now. ES right at it. I'm not going to short here at these lows, but this entry right here was so perfect. Hoping we get a pop because I would want the short, but okay. Probably going to try this here if we get. Oh my gosh. Trying the long potentially here. If we can get the entry I like.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. Quick pop. Don't want to see it through the lows. I don't love it. I don't love it. Come on. Ugh, come on. I moved my order.
Order filled.
Did it cancel me there? Yeah, it did. Again, I still feel like midnight open, and I feel like we go lower. It's just, again, I've been waiting for this entry, and we just haven't been getting entries, it feels like.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, let's go short. Let's write it to mid.
Order filled.
Let's write it to midnight open. Ah, come on. You're telling me I bottom tick that? Come on. I think we got midnight open. Is that 40? That's not even that much further. I didn't even do the math on that. The fact that we wicked through this so aggressively honestly makes me think that might be the bottom. So that is a little concerning.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm flipping long here.
Order filled.
Come on, baby. Rip it here for me. My average is horrible. Trying to figure out how the heck that is the case. What is my average? 65? What the heck? How is that even possible? That is horrible.
Order filled.
I am I am disgusted by that. I want short now. This is just I'm getting annoyed. I just so annoying. It's like, oh, 10 more points here. It's like, I don't know how I even got myself in such a freaking dumb little hole that was. That was so stupid. I shorted here, longed here, and now it's dumped.
Order filled.
Trying this long right here at midnight open.
Order filled.
Oh my lordy.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm trying to
Order submitted.
how short it is. If it just recovers now, I'm just gonna have to walk away because this is gonna be the most frustrating thing. You know what? This is probably gonna push up into here.
Order filled.
Come on, just stick it. Go. We got the next support down at 90. Need to dump this here. Actually, you know what? Oh, I just realized my trailing. Come on, baby. Dump it for me. Come on, just a few more points for me. I want it down to 0-1. See, that should act as resistance. Move and stop to here. Oh, no. Come on. No. Come on. That should have been resistance. It's on a 30-point trade. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Think we could get down to, what is this liquidity? 201.
Give me 205. Uh, Come on, baby. 205, 205. 8 more points. That's not good for the Delta.
Order filled.
I'm taking that off because Delta popped up right there for the reversal. We very well still could do it, but come on, there we go. Dude, that's gonna go to my target too. Let me try to catch a falling knife and see if we can't get a quick pop. That was a full 30-point trade.
Order filled.
Let's see. Trying it here. No, does it want to just keep going? Let's see.
Order filled.
Come on, quick pop, quick pop, quick pop. Looking for like 5 points. Come on. Ah, come on, baby. Rip it back, rip it back. Come on. All the way. 5 points. Come on, baby. It's hitting that FEG and finding some resistance. We can invert above that FEG. Come on. We get back above this. You got to get back above it, though. Come on. No.
Order filled.
Come on. Just give me a back above break even and I'll get out of this. Come on. Come on. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Come on. Come on, just pop it. A few more points. A few more points. Come on. Come on, baby. Pop it a few points. Like 8 points. 5 more points. Come on. Feels like we're playing a losing game here. Come on. Pop it. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it.
Order filled.
I click close. I should be out. I don't even care if it respect now at this point. I was way too heavy for that. That was a little silly. My heart was honestly racing there. Um yeah, I don't even care. Wow, okay. I don't even care if it rips all the way back. I was way too heavy for that. That was dumb on my behalf. Um Getting out of here green, but just silly on my behalf for the sizing on a knife catch. And then not even optimal entry either. I think my first entry was like I don't even know. First entry was like here. This was entry here. In reality, should have risked less than 10 points. Like might be a decent long, but I'm not taking it. I'm done for the day, guys. I'll be honest, that kind of had me slightly tilted there. Within the trade, my heart was beating too fast for day one of this. So whatever. I'm green. Um, no news Monday and caught a nice piece. Could have been a lot better. Should have held the. I mean, this trade thesis, guys, that we had from up here was stunning. We were short here too, like 118 points, absolutely stunning. That was the real trade of the day, in my opinion. Um, Not this other little crap here and there and whatever. So glad we got a piece. Of course, we did enter in here, and now it's 100 something points lower and whatever. I got chopped up here, I think, and then we caught a nice move here, and then that was quite stressful right there. That was right there for me. So, um, yeah. That being said, guys, I am out of here. I am done. Of course, now it's up, 10 points or 11 points or whatever for my entry. I think my entry was like right here, maybe. I don't know. And I actually kind of like the long, but regardless, I am out of here, guys. It was a green day to start the journey. I'll reiterate again for everyone that's here. So the previous journey, we got to pay out. We got to pay out. Um, it was accepted actually on Friday, so I'll make a video here soon. Actually, you know what? Since I'm already here and I'm already talking about it, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Oh, crap. Hold on. Let me get everything back up here. Actually, you know what? That's fine. I don't need that up. I was just going to show this really quick and then be done. You know what? Absolutely. Look, just wanted to show this here. We did get the I was muted. I don't know when I muted myself, but let's see. Show this again. We embark on a new journey now to get some more payouts. So that was that. Last journey was successful. Let's do it again. I appreciate the support, guys. Appreciate the likes. Everyone showing up. We're gonna do it again. Feel pretty confident in my trading. Was a little too risky here and there today. Could have done things better, but we learn, we improve, and we move on. So I will catch you guys all tomorrow. I will see you guys for Tuesday, which let me check the economic calendar really quick. We do have PMI in the morning at 6:45, so probably gonna be a slow morning. But after that, we should have some good action post 7. So I will catch you guys then. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys